Howdy folks, welcome back to the shed on this rather brisk Sunday night. What you're seeing before you there is my winnings from the very generous competitions that Bernie at Crossways Point Junction has put on, and I was very fortunate enough to be a triple winner, a hat trick no less. So there you see before you a EWS class 37, and behind it you've got what I believe is called a towed brake van, and then on the end is the flashing end of train lamp which I've installed on it. So that's all three together there. As I say, it's just a very quick one, and can't tell you how much Bernie's done for the community, the model railway community, that is. Yep, excellent guy, and as you can see, really generous. I mean, the post alone must have cost him a fortune, but yeah, what a great guy. So just a quickie, as they say. Yeah, it wasn't quite straightforward putting the end of train lamp on a brake van which has got quite a big area out the back full of nothing. So I've had to adapt it a little bit, but I think you'll agree. Very effective. Thanks Bernie. I'll catch you all soon. Cheery bye.